So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to search filter on Instagram. So if you want to search a filter on Instagram, all you have to do now, go and open up your Instagram app like this. So after you open up your Instagram app like this now, all you have to do now, the next thing to do, now you can just go ahead and tap on this. As you can see now, just tap on this plus button to upload a post. So after you come to this section now, go and search for the video or a picture that you want to upload. So for me, let's say now I want to upload a picture. I'll just go ahead and search, like, let's say I want to upload just a picture or a video. I'll use just like this picture, this one. So after you select a picture or a video that you want to upload, all you have to do now, tap on this next. So after you tap on this next, as you can see now, so now if you are using iPhone, so the search filter for you, it will be at the top like this one. But if you are using Android phone like my own, you see this icon. So tap on this one. Here is the search filter option. After you tap on this search filter, as you can see here, it says filter. So as you can see here is filter. So now you can just go ahead and scroll all through these filters and search for the filter you want to apply to your video or your picture. So for me, let's say I want to just apply this filter. So as you can see now, so you can just go ahead and search for the filter. Done. Tap on this. So now you can just go ahead and search for the filter. So let's say I want to use this one. After you select the filter, you can see now you can be able now to adjust the filter as well. So after you finish adjusting, tap on this done button. If you want to change again, you can tap on this one again. So now just go ahead and search for the filter you want. So for me, I will go ahead and choose this one. After you choose the filter, you can tap on this done button, or you can tap on this to adjust the filter. As you can see now, as I'm adjusting the filter, as you can see, I look at the picture. So after you finish adjusting your filter, tap on this done button. So after you tap on this done button, now tap on this next button. So from now you can go ahead now and upload your video or your picture with the filter that you search. That's it guys on how to search a filter on Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.